Hello everybody, this is Nora and I want to share with you what I got in the mail today. These are some products from Beauty Big Bang and I figure I'll go ahead and open them here for you and do a review very quick on them. These three right here are part of the stamping collection. These are cream polishes. I have a lilac, a pink, and a beautiful bright green. And then this one right here is part of the holographic collection, and this is a gold holographic. I can't wait to try it. So we're gonna give these a try, and I'm gonna have to try this one on a tip or something, and then these three, because I want to try them on against black and white, I'm going to try them on the Beauty Big Bang stamping mat. And along with these goodies, I also received this cotton claw, which is, it came right at a good time. But one of the things that I'm looking forward to this cotton claw is the fact that it's metal, so this one happened with it, because this is how the acetone has eaten up this plastic. I was very happy to receive this in the mail today, because it is a lifesaver and I've been without one for about a week now, so I'm looking forward to working with this really well for my stampings. Along with that, I also have some cotton in this pretty little bag, and it's a resealable bag. I like this. I already opened it. This actually came sealed, this plastic, and I just cut right along here, and it's nice because you can keep your cotton here, and then it's resealable with this drawstring. So that's really nice. This was a surprise from them, and I'm glad that they sent me this. We can't ever have too much cotton. And check these out. So it's 100% cotton wool balls, and they come in different colors, in pretty pinks, light blues, and yellows. So very pretty cotton balls right there for your nail art. And another thing that I'm looking forward to using is this. I've never used this before. I haven't even opened it, so let's go ahead and do that. I've seen people, oh, these are rubber. I thought they were sponges, but these are rubber. So let's see, these are different refills. So as far as the hard, oh, and they're different shape. I didn't even realize. So this is completely, let's see, these two are the same and they're completely rounded. These two kind of have that more of a pointed end. I don't know if you can tell. And this is the one right here, very pretty with those pearly pink beads in the middle, in the tube. And so, okay, I see. So this one is rounded on this end, and this one's a pointy one. Hopefully you can see there. Right, see the point? Looks like a little nipple. And so let's see, how would you change these around? Okay, I see. I don't know if you will do it that way. Or, let's see, this part will come off. Well, it doesn't look like it wants to come off for me, so yeah, I guess you just remove the pink part. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some research on how to use this tool right here. I believe it's for, because I thought the ones that I have seen were more like sponges and you use them for gradients. Interesting. We'll have to see how this turns out. I'm working with these. Now I will have to do a separate video for using this tool. Yeah, so I put all this stuff away. First thing that I have here to try out is the gold holographic polish. Check it out, check it out. Look at that rainbow. Let's try it on this tip. And just like with the others, it goes on somewhat sheer with the first coat. I'm going to let that dry before I apply the second. Okay, I'm going to go now with the second coat. This is beautiful, you guys. It's so pretty. Such a beautiful classic gold. See right there. And I think it's gonna go best with the third coat, so I'm going to let this dry a bit before I go on with the third coat. Okay, now it's time for that third coat. It is gorgeous. Just make sure I got my edges really well. Wow. So beautiful. Look at that. Just letting you guys taking it in. Beautiful, beautiful polish. Ooh. I don't know how long this one on my nails is gonna last with these new polishes that I just got today. Okay, we're gonna let that dry, and I might try the lilac stamping polish over that when it's ready. Let's go ahead and now try it. I'm gonna move the camera. I got my hand here on my stamping plate. I'm gonna give these 3 stamping polishes a try using Beauty BigBang's stamping plate. This is one of from their floral collection, and I'm going to use Beauty BigBang stamper and their scraper as well. Now I'm going to stamp out of camera, and then you'll see me do the stamping over these 3 fingers right here. The first one I'm going to try is going to be the pink. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's pick this up. Do here over black and white. Wow. I don't know if you can tell. I had to move the mat because of the glare on this shiny side of the mat. It looks beautiful over both the black and the white. So pretty. And so that's the pink. Let's try the purple. Not the purple, but the lilac one. And of course, we're gonna give this a test drive. Where's my acetone? I got one of the pink, pretty pink cotton balls in here to clear out this pink polish out of here. And of course, it works beautifully. If you don't have one of these, trust me, you're going to feel like you have a third hand once you get one of these. Okay, let's try a different image with the lilac. Look at that. Perfect. Love, love, love it over the white, over the black. It's not as bright as the pink. I mean, it's almost like that pink has no difference between the black and the white. But yes, it's very noticeable. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply top coat over these because that does make a difference sometimes. And we are killing more than one bird here. A few birds with one stone on this review. So here went your cotton claw with a pretty pink cotton ball. Again, let's try one of the other stamping colors. This time it's going to be the green one. This is super bright. And you know what? Yeah, okay. I love how pigmented these stamping polishes are. Here we go. Whoa, beautiful on both black and white. Loving that green. I don't know, I'm one of those that I like to clean as I go, you guys. I cannot leave my toys dirty before you put them away just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply HB top coat over these. And I'm going to pick up this mat and kind of move it around. Usually the top coat will make a difference when your stamp is over a dark color. and because it makes it pop more. So let's see what it does for this lilac. And the green. Wow, I'm loving this green. Yep, I can see how the lilac and the green, the top coat, it really makes them pop even more. Let's try to bring you closer and move the mat around. Can you tell? See how bright those are? And beautifully, how beautifully they're stamped over black. Beautiful. Okay, let's try the, I think I want to try the lilac over this gold, and that's ready. They do dry pretty fast. I know it's not very obvious, but here we go. I have to hold it to the side and play with the lighting so you guys notice. And let's see what it does when after I apply top coat, okay? Okay guys, here it is after I applied top coat. I have to hold it to the side like this so it's more obvious on camera. The design against this gold is so pretty. It is subtle and depending on how the light hits it, because of all those holographic, that rainbow holographic right underneath it, it looks so pretty, so classy. Check it out. And maybe with a more solid image you'll be able to appreciate it more. I love that holographic gold, and here are the 3 polishes again, stamped against black and white. Perfect, no disappointment whatsoever. Thank you Beauty BigBang for coming up with such a great quality products. There you have it guys. Thank you for tuning in to this quick impromptu review from Beauty BigBang. I'm gonna have to play more with this one, experiment, and do a separate video. I'll have to figure out how to play with this one and show you guys how to use it and how well it works. So again, thank you Beauty BigBang for sending these out for me to play and to review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer for you. And remember to apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount on any products from Beauty BigBang. If you like this review and this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.